We have continuing coverage tonight after the city of Grand Rapids issued a citation against a local wedding venue.
Officials allege the business broke its human rights ordinance when the owner said they would not book LGBTQ+ couples. But their attorney argues otherwise. Fox 17's Marisa Oberle spoke with a law professor to sort through the claims, and she joins us live in studio with this story. Marisa.
Jamie and Josh, that professor Michael McDaniel specializes in constitutional law and believes the city's case appears to be strong.
While the law often creates legal gray areas, this time around, Michael McDaniel sees things as much more black and white.
The city can take certain actions.
On Thursday, the tenured Western Michigan University Cooley Law School professor spoke with Fox 17 by phone and shared his thoughts on the case between the city of Grand Rapids and the Broadway Avenue. This week, officials announced they found the wedding venue in violation of a local law that prohibits people from withholding services to others based on sexual orientation when the owners, Hannah and Nick Natali, announced they did not plan to allow same-sex couples to get married at their venue because of their religious beliefs.
Until they have an actual person or persons who believe that they've been discriminated against, I don't see where they have a case.
In an interview with Fox 17 after the announcement, the couple's lawyer said they cannot be punished for their words and the charge interferes with the Natali's right to exercise their faith. He added the same ordinance in question protects religious-based discrimination.
Once that behavior occurs, they have a right to deter it. In this case, they're saying we are prohibiting any statements or policies which would be offensive to any of our protected classes.
And while McDaniel says he understands those points, he disagrees. He explains the city's law includes broad language that does not indicate an individual needs to come forward in order to prove a case, and notes it allows officials to act in a way that prevents discrimination. McDaniel adds civil citations carry low burdens of proof too, and the owners already admitted to their policy.
So they have to give you notice of what charges are being brought against you, but it doesn't have to have the specificity with a civil infraction that you have with a criminal offense.
As for whether it goes against the owner's religious rights, McDaniel says that's an ongoing debate. But generally, as a public business, their beliefs cannot bear on the goods and services they provide.
By doing so, by allowing individuals to carve out their own exceptions to the human rights ordinance, we've lost the whole purpose of the human rights ordinance, because we're no longer respecting people as individuals and as diverse members of our community, but instead are allowing individuals to make judgments upon them based upon their own viewpoints.
And the Broadway Avenue must make their first appearance in court on the civil infraction by October 17th. Coleman says the couple plans to fight it to the U.S. Supreme Court if needed. I'm reporting in the studio, Marisa Oberle, Fox 17 News.